Alright guys, so now we're going to be working on this 2014 Honda Accord dome light. And the way you're going to work with this is first always make sure they're off, make sure there's no power to them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look for the little indentations on these, okay? So let's see, where is it at? Let's check it out right here. Alright, there it is, okay? Okay. So you want to start from the back, okay? Make sure you start from the back. You're going to see a little, I don't know if you can see that, but there's two clips. If you put it right here, it'll pop it out real easily like you saw, and it just, from there, just pop out. So as you can see, we already replaced the bulb in here. So again, that's how it looks, okay? And the way you can replace these, pretty simple. Just pretty much slide out your old bulb. Alright, and then pretty much just put it back into place again the same way. Okay, and make sure you test it. Once you see that everything's working fine, pretty much just put everything back together. Okay, so make sure you start from the front first and then inwards. There you go. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We're more than happy to help you out with that. Okay, thank you.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun in my morning bed.